Hello friend, in this video I will discuss most important question of vector analysis, which is based on vector triple product. Okay, and the question is we have to prove B cross C cross A cross B equal to ABC whole square in cyclicity. Okay, so we have two properties of vector triple product. That means in cyclicity ABC, A dot vector A dot into B cross C, and the second is triple cross product, and this is triple dot product. Okay, so cross product is A dot C B, A dot C first and then B, and A dot B first and then C. It will be C. Okay, so with the property, first we have to write this term like this. First we take the first vector. These are the three vectors. So first vector dot remaining cross product of two vectors. Okay, that means C cross A into cross A cross B. So we can write this, assume capital A, capital B, and this is capital C. Okay, so with the help of second property we have to write this result. That means B cross C dot, and this will be what? A dot C means C cross A dot C means B, and A vector written as it is, minus A dot B means what? C cross A dot B means A, and we have to write this is, and we have to write the remaining third vector as it is, that means B vector. So if you observe in this result, C cross A, vector C cross A is perpendicular to vector A, so the dot product of this vector must be 0. Dot of C vector dot cross A vector dot A vector is 0, so this term will be 0. That means, and we can write B cross C vector, and with the help of cross triple product, this vector can be written as ABC after simplifying. Okay, and this vector must be 0. This is dot 1 and this is A vector. Okay, so this vector can be written as ABC with vector sign, and this will be equal to B cross C. This is B cross C into dot A. Okay, so finally what we observe, ABC, this is ABC and this is also ABC, vector triple product with the help of, so we can finally write ABC whole square. This is the result we have to prove. And the next question is question number 5, in which we have to verify the Rolle's theorem. That means we have given fx equal to what? This is x square minus 4. So we have to verify at point minus 2 comma 2. So this is a polynomial function. Okay, polynomial function. So according to Rolle's theorem, the given function must be differentiable continuous. That means fx, since fx is polynomial function, so fx is continuous in closed interval minus 2 comma 2, and since fx is a polynomial, so fx is differentiable in open interval minus 2 comma 2. And if we find the value of fx at different points, that means f of minus 2 equal to f of 2. So with the third point of the Rolle's theorem contains three statements. So two statements are correct because polynomial function is continuous and differentiable at a specific point. And third point is f of, we have to verify whether f of A equal to f of B or not. So if we put f here, A is what? A is minus 2 and B is what? It is plus 2. So f of minus 2 means, if you put f of minus 2 whole square minus 4 equal to plus 2 whole square minus 2. That means this is minus 2. Okay, 4 minus 2 and this is 4 minus 2. Finally we will obtain 2 equal to 2. So f of A equal to f of B also verified. So this is the verification of Rolle's theorem. First we find whether the function is continuous or not at a given specific point. Second, we have to show that the given function is differentiable is or not in open interval. And third point is we have to check whether the function at 2 points is equal or not. So this is the third statement of Rolle's theorem. Hence all the points are verified. Hence all the points are true. So Rolle's theorem verified. Rolle's theorem verified. So this is the result we have to prove. Thank you for watching. Thank you so much.